Good day, everybody. It's Trent Clarenbach with the Clarenbach Grain Report. Today is February the 9th, 2026. Let's take a look at Minneapolis hard red spring wheat futures. We will look at the Saskatchewan cash price, and we'll also look at the Saskatchewan basis, which likely applies to the rest of the prairie provinces in the west as well. So this first chart here is the continuous Minneapolis hard red spring wheat futures chart. It is a weekly chart, and take a look at this. You can see this trend line that goes all the way back to May of 2022, the May of 2022 high, and we can see this trend line has been broken, and we're finding some support from that trend line, I would argue. Now, I won't get too excited until we're above 573 or 575. I'll start getting more excited if we can get a daily close above 591 and get above this green 50-week moving average. Right now we're below it, and it's declining. We're below this 200-week moving average. It's way above, it's declining. We haven't had a retest of this 200-week moving average yet, but I anticipate that'll happen. The question is, does it happen up here or does it happen down here? Will the price converge on that moving average through space or through time in a sideways manner as the 200-week moving average catches up to the price? We had a sell signal trigger back here in around that 570 level back here. I think it was in August and September, and so right now the price is trading right around that level exactly. Hasn't really done much. It's fluctuated around that sell signal we had back then on the futures, and yeah, hasn't done much for, I don't know, what, September, October, November, December, 6 months, right? It's quite a while. Let's take a look at the daily chart for reference. The daily chart, we're fighting with the green 50-day moving average. We're having trouble staying above it. We're above the trend line, like you can see. The declining 200-day moving average is overhead, likely to act as some sort of resistance on the price. Right now, we're in this kind of a no trade zone. What do? We've been anticipating we'd see a rally in the new year. I would argue we had one, but I haven't given up on the futures price yet, because I just think once this trend line's tested, we get a rally off of it. Go back to the weekly. Yeah, I just don't think we've got enough rally off this trend line yet. Let's take a look at our Saskatchewan price. This is the Clarenbach price index for Saskatchewan, and I'll use the candlestick chart, and you're probably not seeing this anywhere else, candlesticks, but here we are. So we've been telling our people, if you're new to the channel, that we anticipate a rally in hard red spring wheat in the new year, and that new year is 2026. I would argue we've seen that. We saw some lows back here in December. We've seen a rally higher. Once we broke above this 10-week moving average, we took that as a bullish price movement, and I would argue that's been happening. Now we're finding support from this 10-week moving average right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. That's a good sign. It's advancing. We're finding it act as support. We're testing these previous highs. 1, 2, 3, maybe 5, 6 times we've tested it. We're starting to exhaust the sellers at that level. The buyers are getting stronger, and I anticipate that we will see a rally. Maybe the next move is up to another 18 cents, 16, 18 cents, and then we'll just keep reassessing as we go. Let's take a look at the basis and see if that gives some clues what can happen. So yeah, we're seeing this pattern here play out. This is a weekly chart. We found support off of, I got the line drawn here, suggested we'd see an improvement in the basis back here on December 8th. I'd argue we have. And base has got some headwinds above it, but it feels to me like it wants to go up to this 60, 67, 68 level. That's an improvement of $15 a ton, $15, $16 a ton. See if that happens. Again, it might not happen in a straight line, but that's what I'm looking at. My name is Trent Clarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.